Hi, this is Andrew, and today I'm going to share something that a lot of my clients are confused. What is a domain name and what is the web hosting? So they always confuse domain, hosting, and what is it for? Why do we need a domain and hosting when we just want to build a website? So if you have this same question, then this video is for you. So remember to watch till the end because we will explain it so easy that you know how to do it, and I will show you how to get your hosting and register for your domain name as well. Okay, now let's see what is a domain. If you want to build a website, right? So your website is a shop. Now, this is a shop like this, you see. So you want to build a shop or a website or web store. So it's like a shop. But before you can build your website, this is like you need to have this, a piece of land, right? So your hosting is like a piece of land. So you need to have one piece of land so that you can build your shop on top of the land, you see. So after you have that, then you need to have an address, because if you want to ask your customer to come to your shop, you need to give them your address. So your address is in the internet world called a domain name or a domain URL. This is like your company.com or abc.com, so that people can type in this, or right now maybe they can scan a QR code and straight away they can go to your address. So this is a domain. So in order to build a website, you need to have the foundation, the basic, the land, meaning the hosting, so where your shop are, okay, and then an address, which is your domain name or domain URL, so that people can find you to go to your website or your shop. So that is a simple explanation of what is a domain and web hosting. So I hope this will give you an idea. Next, I will show you how to get a very, very good hosting as well as a domain name, especially when you just first start up. So let's jump right in to my browser and I will show you how. Okay, so this hosting is one of the hosting company that I use, and it's one of the most affordable, especially when you just first start out online or just get your company online. This will be a very good web hosting for you. Now, the good news is it will also give you a free domain when you sign up for the hosting. So let me show you how. Now, before I go in how to sign up, let me show you the pricing. Okay, now you can see this is their hosting plan. And it says that it's cheap web hosting. Yeah, it's really, really cheap. And it also comes with 30 days money back guarantee. So after you sign up, if you see that the service is not good, then you can just cancel it. I've tried it, and then I have even just like sent crazy questions to go and ask the customer service, and the response is pretty fast, especially like in Malaysia. I believe the customer service actually is support from Indonesia, so we have the same like time zone, so it's easy and the response is pretty fast. So I really like about this hosting company. All right, now these are the web hosting plan. So it depends on your budget, right? It has the single web hosting, premium web hosting, and business web hosting. I personally use this premium web hosting because this is one the most popular. It depends on your own budget and your status right now. Okay, so this one will start at like $299. This is not US dollars, it's ringgit. So yeah, initially I thought it was like US dollars. That was like okay, but when it comes to ringgit, it's like a quarter of a US dollars. So this is like super, super cheap. It's like 3 ringgit per month. Yeah. Now I'll show you, it has its plan, right? And I will highly recommend you go for this because it's like 8 ringgit 05, and it comes with unlimited number of websites, unlimited email accounts, where this one only have one website, one email. As you start to do or bring your business online. Most of us online marketing companies, we don't, right? We don't only have one website. We have multiple websites. As we have like new products, we create a new website or new brand website for our products. So as this product grows bigger, it will stand alone and become a business on its own. Yeah. And we will come out every time a new product every quarter, then we'll have a new website and we have new program events where we'll use another new website. We have a lot of websites. So that's why this unlimited number of websites is good. So as you grow, start with one, and then as you grow, you can go to unlimited website. Okay. And good thing about this, because it also comes with unlimited email accounts, where this one, 3 ringgit, if you have only one person working, then that's fine, one email. But if you have more than that, then you want to get unlimited email account. So 8 ringgit, this premium website hosting package will be better because it also gives you a lot. So you can see all the features right over here. Yeah, it gives you more resources. Also, like here, it gives you 100 subdomain name. So the more domain, right? Domain name means like your company.com. Then a lot of time, for example, you go to like apple.com. When you go to the shop, they have this store.apple.com. Those are so-called subdomain. Yeah. So usually we want to separate it out from the main domain, just in case it's something corrupted in one website, it not affect the rest or the rest of all this website. This will be very good because it has give us like 100 subdomain. It's not like just 2 subdomains. You see. So, and good news is that this one also comes with a free domain, the premium. Yeah. So a free domain for like 1 year, usually it will cost you like 50, 60 ringgit, something like that. So this will be a good deal. Yeah. Now, if you want more, if you're a bigger company, you want more resources, then you can go take this, right? This is for business web hosting. Now, how good is like 12.95, 13 ringgit a month, like a rental of the piece of land to build your business? So it's crazily cheap. You want to again go scroll down and have a look, okay? And now to show you, right, the actual pricing, right? For this premium web hosting, it also have different tiers. So when it goes in there, just click add to cart. All right, so when it comes in here, it gives you a few options. So the 805 per month, if you sign up for 48 months, means 4 years. So if you're really serious about your business, or you know that your business is going to be like last for forever, then this will be something that you can consider, right? I myself will take that 48 months because it's super, super cheap at 8 ringgit. And if you want to take 1 year, it's 12, okay? 12 months times 14 ringgit, which is 168 ringgit. Yeah, so 168 ringgit. Okay, and this one, because 14 minus 8 is like how much? 6 ringgit. So if you save 6 ringgit for 48 months, yeah, then you will save like over 200 over ringgit. It's totally up to you. You can choose 12 months if you want, yeah, or even 24 months, and you get more savings. I personally would go for this, okay, 48 months, because I know that I'm going to run my business like forever. So 4 years, I will save all this. And furthermore, premium, you can have a lot of different websites as we go. So, okay, so by having this, I will save a lot of money. Now, once you decide which tier you want to go to, and then comes right below here, yeah. Now, one good thing is that for all hosting, make sure that you need to have this lifetime Ssl certificate include for free, because today it is very important, because when your customer goes to your website, you don't have this SSL, meaning that HTTPS, not the HTTP, all right? No, HTTP, right? :// You must have the S, means secure, right? If you're not secure site, Google will always prompt a customer, say, hey, your site that you're going may not be secure. Do you still want to go? Now you scared people. A lot of people worry about they're going to get virus, Trojan, and so on. So then they will just go away. Always you must have this SSL certificate, right? That is a must. So make sure you have this. And this one, good news is that you got it for free. And here you will come down over here. You are eligible for a free domain because you choose premium. You get a free domain, which you save around like 50, 60 ringgit. Okay, so come over here, key in the domain name to check what domain name that you want. For example, let's say I want to have my brand name ABC. So my advice is always go for .com, right? For normal business website, unless you are a shop. You want to go for a shop. If you're selling things, then you can go for that. Or store also can. But the most common one will be .com because people remember, okay, your brand .com. So highly recommend you go to .com. Over here, you're eligible for a free domain. Then search for it and see whether still available or not. All right, good news. So I have like 100% discount. Okay, so once you have this, then you can go and check out. And good news about Hostinger is also support all the online banking payment from all Malaysian banking, right? E-banking. Okay, once you decide your domain name, and you can follow here and check out. But before you do that, let me give you a special coupon code that you can use. This is only for my fans. Yeah. So before you go here, you see there's a gray out here, have a coupon code. All right. So click here, then you open up a blank for you to key in. So remember to use this. Okay, so right now it's 387 ringgit 20 cents, and key in, yeah, AC hosting. All right, AC, my name, AC hosting, and plus. You see, all become red. Now you save extra. So instead of 387, now you pay only 360. So you save like 27 ringgit. So remember to apply this and get extra discount. Okay, then you can check out. Then follow this method. Choose any payment method. Yeah, if you want to use FPS or Malaysia e-banking, then you just follow that and then continue. Now, when continue, because Hostinger is charging in USD, so here in Malaysia banking, you'll see all this in Bahasa. So then you can continue, and then this is the US dollars, all right, that you'll be charged, okay, equivalent to the 320 ringgit. So then you just continue and follow the steps to check it out. So I hope I give you a good picture of how to register for a affordable and a good web hosting for the start, because I've tried Hostinger. It's actually pretty fast, even though it's cheap right now. If you just started off, you're finding web hosting, go ahead. I put a link right below. You can click there, and then you can go Hostinger and register for your web hosting and free domain. So I hope I give you a good picture of what is a website, what is a web hosting, and what is a domain name. In my next video, I will show you how to go into Hostinger and create your website. Do you want to learn about that? If yes, remember to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when we publish, you will be notified. So I hope to see you right soon in my next video.